In this video, I'm going to install this heatsink on a stock Razor motor to see if it helps dissipate the heat. Now the product is linked in the description below, so please subscribe to my channel. We're going to install it right on the motor as such. I believe it also fits on aftermarket motors such as my 1800 watts. It looks like it will fit. So let's do a before and after test. I'm going to run this off-road for about 5 minutes and take a temperature reading and then come back, let it cool down, install the heat sink, and then take a temperature reading after to see if there is a change. After riding off-road, the barrel got up to 114 degrees. I'm gonna let the motor cool down, install this heat fin, and do the same test to see if the temperature reads cooler. All right, I'm gonna install this heat sink on this motor on my Razor dirt bike. This is a stock motor, and I can see here that you're gonna simply slide it in and then snap it on. But to prevent scratching and help it snap on, I'm gonna run some soap, like Dawn soap, on the edge here and put it on the motor so when I snap it down, it doesn't scratch the motor and reduces the friction. So I got a little soap here. That coated up. Slide that on. There we go. Snaps on, installed. The motor's still warm from when I ran this hard, so I'm gonna let this cool for several hours, if not wait till tomorrow. After installing the heatsink and a long ride, I measure about 89 to 95 degree temperature. I'll take a few measurements. It's about a 20 to 25 degree drop compared to without the heatsink, so I'm happy with the results of this heatsink. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.